So lately, I've kind of just been in this rut when it comes to creativity in general. I would specifically say like street photography because that is kind of what I've been pursuing consistently in terms of my creativity, opposed to filmmaking. And I've just been feeling bored of kind of seeing like the same thing over and over. And when it comes to sharing that work or just putting it out online, whether that's here on YouTube or on Instagram, I just wanted to figure out a way to change it up a little bit. And today's kind of just an introduction of that. I'm trying multiple methods and exploring just a lot of new territory in terms of just places to shoot. And specifically in this video, I want to kind of talk about environmental street photography and more so letting the environment and just the overall setting, the lighting, and just the things around people tell the story more so than the subjects themselves. Really just letting myself more so be influenced by a completely different genre and style of photography to street photography. And I feel like lately when I was able to go out on this walk and just observe and just live life and not worry about making good street photos, just enjoying humans interacting and just being humans the way they are, and hopefully being able to just communicate that in a way that satisfies me and my creativity. So without further ado, hope you enjoy this video. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, I'd appreciate it if you show that like button a lot of love, because that really helps the channel a lot. And please consider subscribing, because I definitely have more content coming. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.